How to remove account restriction on Facebook. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily remove the account restriction on your Facebook app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. So from here, you're going to tap on the menu icon on the top right corner and then click on the settings menu. Once you land on the settings page, tap on Account Center and then from here head over to your information and permissions. So here you will be able to view all of your information. After that, head back to your Account Center again and click on Personal Detail. From here, tap on Identity Confirmation and then confirm your identity by providing a government-issued ID. And that will most probably lift the account restriction on your page. But if that still does not fixes your problem, then go back to your settings, click on Help and Support, and click on Report a Problem. Now click on Continue, and then from here continue to report a problem. Now you're just going to go ahead and explain them that you are trying to just select anything from here and then describe your issue. If you want, you could also add a screenshot from your gallery and you're good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.